Math 1, final benchmark number 33. The expression 50 times 1.012 raised to the 7t power represents the number of subscribers who have signed up for a particular service where t is time in days since the launch of the service. If the expression can be rewritten as 50 times 1 plus r raised to the t, what is the approximate value of r? All right, so the first equation we can look at and we can see that we have y equals a times 1 plus your rate divided by n, number of terms, raised to the n times t power. All right, so this is kind of the equation that we're looking at. 50 would be your a. 1 plus your interest rate here divided by the number of terms and then raised to the 10 times t power. All right, so we want to rewrite that as 50 times 1 plus r to the t power. All we're doing is rewriting the expression. So if we want to look at this here, we're probably going to say 0.012. If it's divided by n, we need to multiply it by n. So that's going to be the 7. All right, so we're just kind of working in reverse here. So that's going to give us 0.084. Now, that's going to be close to A. That's probably our answer. If we look at these, we can see that C and D don't really make a whole lot of sense anyways, because when it's talking about interest rate, that's usually moved a couple decimal places, and that's usually between 0 and 1. So since these numbers are greater than that, it's more than likely not the correct answers. So let's check A and see if we can tell if this is the correct answer. So what we want to do, let's pull up our calculator. And we're just going to take the first equation, which is here, and plug it in. So we're going to do 50 times 1.012, and then we're going to raise that to the 7 times, and let's just let t be something. So it says time in days since its launch. So let's let t be 4 just to begin with. All right, so we're going to say 7 times 4 and then hit enter. All right, so now we're going to check the second equation. So here's the second equation. So we're going to do 50 times 1. And we're going to use this answer A because we think that's what it is. You could also use this, but we're going to use what it has here. So we're going to do 0.087. And then that's going to be raised to t as well. And we said let t be 4. So we're going to hit enter. And you can see that those are very similar. So let's just check one more just to be sure. So let's say let t equal 10. All right, if we let t equal 10, we're going to plug it into both equations and see if we get similar answers or an approximate value. All right, so we got 50 times 1.012 raised to the 7 times t. This time we're going to let t be 10, so we're going to do 7 times 10, and that gives us about 115. So we do the second equation, 50 times 1.087 raised to the t power, and we said t is 10. And we get about 115 again. So you can see that when you plug those in and check it, that it does make sense, and A is the best answer. So number 33, your answer is A.